Hello friends, in this video we're going to see about introduction of engineering drawing. What is engineering drawing? An engineering drawing, a type of technical drawing, is used to fully and clearly define the requirements of a engineering items. So engineering drawing produce engineering drawing. It means a design engineer create a drawing to who process the manufacturing. So the shop floor engineer will read the document. It's nothing but a picture which we can take it from a camera. It is also called a graphical language that communicate ideas and information from one mind to another mind. So engineering drawing. So we can differentiate engineering drawing into two: hand drawn and computer aided design or drawing. First, we can see about hand drawing or hand drafting. Hand drafting was the method used by professionals till some time ago. It means the beginning of the industrial age and the beginning of the steel ages. Engineers would pour over a drafting table using paper, pencil, and eraser. So these are the tools mainly we using for a hand drawing. We can differentiate hand drawing into two: 2D and 3D or isometric. So in the olden times, people use paper, pencil, and compass. It means geometry boxes or geometrical tool to create a perfect engineering illustration. So for that they need experts who handle the tools perfectly. We can say that tools like drafter, compass protector, and how to mount a board, in which angle it will be perfected to mount and perfected to draw it. So they used to design like that only. If you move on to little longer means, if they want to create a 1:1 ratio in a larger paper means, in larger scale or larger distance like landscape means, more than one people involved to draw it in by hand. So it means it has some different texture in it. So the persons who going to draw the larger scale landscape or a engineering drawing in an 1:1 means they know it to be in O line in a inline method. So they used to some formula or rules to follow the same structures to design a perfect 1:1 ratio designs. So next is we can see some advantage of all this. What is advantage in hand drawing in nowadays situation is it is a original, it is a unique one. If we create a master design means it is only that is only the master design. There is nothing to replace it. So it is the best advantage of it. So and another is yearly subscription. Nowadays, if you want to use a software or computer related OS means you need to yearly subscribe. Yearly we release some fund for computer maintenance like that. In olden days, they no need for that because they're using hand drawn only. They used to pay only the engineer. But in hand drawing, disadvantages are more on because it consumes more time. It's hard to create a rework. To achieve a perfect design means they need experts. It's hard to create a copy. If I done a masterpiece means it hard to copied for another person. So these are the advantage and disadvantage detail of hand drawn. Now we're going to move about computer aided design or drawing. CAD software is used by engineer drafters to create precision drawing or technical illustrations is called CAD. So CAD software can be used to create two-dimensional drawing or three-dimensional drawing. So nowadays we cannot separate this into 2D or 3D. So 2D, 3D, and third one is simulations. So nowadays many people using simulations in CAD softwares only. In every recent CAD software have a simulation software inbuilt. So we can simulate a model using the same software. You no need for another software to simulate it. What are the biggest advantages in CAD is it saves time, easy to edit, decrease in error percentages, decrease design effect. We can reuse the codes which is creating for CNC or CM commissions. Easy to share, improve accuracy, but at the same time it have major disadvantage also. So if we have work means in between the computer will shut down means the whatever you drawn it will disappear or delete. So this is the big disadvantage in a computer or CAD models because each and every time we used to save it. That's why they developing auto saving method, even though it is the big disadvantages for the CAD engineers. So it have affected by virus also because each and every time we can't create every models. Some models are in commercial product only. So we going to the vendor website and take the 3D model from them. That time we can affect by virus. So we used to properly use antivirus software to protect our system. So we used to give some amount for that software also, and it could be easily hacked. If you're using a network connection means network can be hacked because we're going to use from one country to another country. It between the link or virtual hacking also. So if it happen means if the system breakdown or virus or hacked means we used to purchase a new system only. That is the perfect and permanent solution for this. If once a system is hacked or attacked by the major virus, so it will cost wise it affect the organization also. So now we're going to combine the engineering design and computer aided engineering drawings. So we can call it as computerized engineering design. In the computer engineering designs, we can separate into three: computer aided design, computer aided engineering, and computer aided manufacturing. So in next video, we're going to see about it detailedly. Next video, we're going to see about computerized engineering design in detailed manner. In that only I'm going to tell you what are the software you're going to use in future, what are the tutorials I'm going to release in English language. Thank you. Please like, share, comment for this video.